Hello, today I'm going to talk about watercolour pigment testing. In order to check the repeatability and the consistency of the pigment batches we use. To do this, we need to make a small sample of watercolour paint in our lab from each new batch of pigment we buy. Using a muller like this, we then compare the results with a master sample of pigment we retain to judge the quality. This muller machine replicates, in a simplified manner, the milling process in our factory. It consists of 2 ground glass plates. The bottom plate rotates at a constant speed, whilst the top plate remains static. A designated amount of pigment is placed on the bottom plate, and a measured amount of solution of gum arabic is added to wet out the pigment. The top plate is brought into contact with the bottom plate and set to run for 25 revolutions. The plates are taken apart and the paste is then collected back into the centre of the bottom plate, and the process is repeated for another 25 revolutions, a total of 50 revolutions. This ground paste is then collected. This rudimentary watercolour is then used to create a graded wash. Once dry, the wash is compared with a wash from the master sample, allowing us to assess mass tone, mid-tones and undertones, and to check that the new batch of pigment is up to a high quality standard. I hope you found this interesting.